What up, YouTube, man? We back at it out here sliding. We just made it to LA. I just dropped my man's Ace off at school, so you already know what time it is. It's game time and time to get this work in, man. So, like I said, we in LA. We about to check on some stuff, get some stuff on the way, man. We back at it better than ever today, man. Like I'm telling y'all, get in to win to the Silver Bullet, y'all. We are almost sold out. We are closer than close. We in the truck right now. Today, we about to get this thing detailed because it's been super dirty. So, that's gonna be one of our things to do, man. On top of that, we gotta go check on our rims for the Road Glide. I got a few pieces at the powder coat I gotta go check on. So stay tuned for that. And I literally had the whole other paint set for the other Road Glide at the house to actually bring out here to Antonio. But we gonna wait for that because my boy still gotta get some pieces for that paint set. But the fact we got it bust down is the main factor. But anyway, man, we about to get it in and make it happen. Today, you can enter the win for the Silver Bullet giveaway for $25. All you gotta do is go in the description below, grab you a SLIDN keychain, a SLIDN HIDN keychain, a Built by Dre keychain, or a Kicks by Dre cap. Any of those 4 products is gonna enter you into the Silver Bullet giveaway. If you are wondering when we're gonna go live, we're gonna go live as soon as we sell out these last spots. So if you wanna get in to win it, grab you 1 or 2, and let's speed it up, y'all, because I'm telling y'all, I'm ready to see where this truck and this bike is about to be headed. But we gotta get some stuff done first, man. So, like I said, stay tuned, man. We getting it in, sliding, not hiding, baby. Yes, sir, I'm feeling good, man. We got so much to get done and so much to do. It's amazing, man, because we got opportunity and it's time to take action and get it going, man. All you got to do is apply yourself and take advantage of the opportunity out here today, man, because I'm telling you, like my boy Ray said, if you woke up today, you already won. For real, for real. There's some people that didn't make it through the night, man. But anyway, we about to get to it, man. We sliding not hiding. Y'all see what it is, man. So this is what we're about to work on real quick. This is my boy bike I've been having for a minute. We was originally gonna take it apart and try to do a gang of things, but what I'm gonna do is stick to the plan. We're gonna strip off the inner and outer fairing, take that apart, take the gas tank off. We're taking those 3 pieces to the paint with everything else in between that sort, like the doors and the gauges. Everything else we're gonna order, like the front wraparound, rear CVO fender, everything else. So stay tuned for that. I'm about to go ahead and bust it down, get it completely naked so we can get some more space to get the rest of these bikes going. So stay tuned, man. Y'all see what's going on. Yes, sir, we done finally got this bike completely stripped. I would take that fender off and this back fender, but it's honestly pointless because I need all that hardware still for when the new one comes from the paint that the guy ordered. So I'm gonna leave that on there because it's not really bothering me, but I did get that crash bar off. We got the whole front end completely naked. We're going ahead and get that shifter off, and that's gonna be it for this bike. Now we got it stripped, we're going ahead and put it to the side and wait on that wet paint and that exhaust and everything else to come in the mail. But all this other stuff right here, we're about to go ahead and break down and put it in boxes so we can wait until this paint set come back. But we got everything broke down that we need, from the gas tank to the inner fairing, to the bezel, to the door, to the gauge holder. Everything piece by piece is gonna get painted. So stay tuned, man. Y'all see what it is, man. We're about to go ahead and box it up. What up, man? We back at it. Just made it back to the house, man. I had to go and pick my mans up Ace from school early. I forgot all about that, so that threw my whole day off. I literally was supposed to do a lot that did not get done, but it's good because the only thing I really needed was those powder coated parts that's still getting done. And then on top of that, the rims are still not 100% complete from the powder coat shop yet. The rim shop still has them in their hand. So I'm waiting on the rotors, the hubs, and there was one more other little thing. But besides that, everything is about to be on the road, man. We just went ahead and made it back, cleaned out the garage. I had everything stuffed in here because it's been raining, but y'all see we got the LEDs up here looking good, getting it cleaned out, man. So let me update y'all. Like I said, we're waiting on the motor for this joint. In the meantime, when we get our powder coat back, we're gonna have the blacked out legs there with the blacked out cans. We're gonna have the orange bars with the black crash bar down below with that fresh motor. So stay tuned, get in to win it, $25. Get you in to win this bike in the truck combo today only, man. So stay tuned for that. We got this on the way with all the goodies and gadgets on the way. I got this thing ready to go. I should be towing this to the dyno shop tomorrow. Tomorrow is going to be the day. Only thing is I have to make sure the brake and all the other stuff was good, because when you have a single disc brake, you want to make sure that one brake is really solid and good to go. You cannot play with nobody's life like that. And then this joint, I literally was about to deliver it to the bay over the weekend, but we got a power problem, but we about to figure it out. I got to go through the fuses and just check these grounds and go over everything, because I did powder coat this bike. So that's all that. And once again, man, I'm going to tell y'all again, I appreciate everybody for all the support, tapping in with me all day, every day, man. A lot of y'all is reaching out to me when I haven't been posting. So I appreciate all of y'all for real, because those are the people that understand life and know how it goes. Some people want to hit me up saying crazy stuff, but it's like, you can't engage in everything that come your way, man. You'll be out here miserable going through it. But on another note, shout out to everybody who participated in a $5 handlebar giveaway and got them a set of bars. Shout out to the lucky 5 winners. Those bars are right there. We're about to ship those out this week, so stay tuned. If you got in to win it, man, you already know. Every $5 sticker that was purchased was another entry into the Silver Bullet giveaway. Meaning, if you already have some Silver Bullet entries, you now have additional spots from that $5 giveaway. So that's me showing love to y'all. I had people saying little comments. I don't care. This is the way I'm running my show. And shout out to everybody supporting, man. So we are sliding, not hiding. Y'all see what's going on. But we're about to finish in the garage, man. I'm about to go ahead and finish going over this. I really want to wash him up because he is super dirty. And then I got to pull this thing out, find a fuse. And then we're about to try to see what we can get done on this thing, man. Because I do need to get this thing ready for success, man, because I'm telling y'all, this is the calm before the storm right now. But it's good though, man. We about to have it coming to y'all. Y'all see what's going on, man. We getting it in, making it happen, man.